What rights do private property owners have? Have you ever wondered what rights come with owning private property? This question is especially interesting when we compare different economic systems like socialism and capitalism. In capitalist systems, private property is a fundamental aspect. Owners have several rights that allow them to fully control their property. They can decide how to use their property, whether to rent it out or even sell it. This means they can generate income from their investments. Additionally, they have the right to transfer their property through selling, gifting, or passing it down to heirs. Legal protections are also in place to ensure that owners cannot be deprived of their property without fair compensation. Now let's shift our focus to socialism. In socialist systems, the concept of private property is viewed quite differently. Here, private property typically refers to personal belongings, like homes and clothing, rather than the means of production. The means of production, such as factories and land, are usually owned collectively by the state or society. This means that while individuals can own personal items, they do not have the same level of control over larger assets that are essential for production. In practice, this leads to a different set of rights for property owners in socialist contexts. Individuals may own their homes, but the state often regulates how land and resources are used. The goal is to ensure that everyone has access to basic needs and to prevent the concentration of wealth. This approach aims to balance individual rights with the needs of the community. For example, in some socialist countries, individuals can own their homes, but the government may impose rules about land use to promote fairness. This means that while you can enjoy your personal property, the state has a role in managing resources for the benefit of all. The focus in socialism is not on eliminating property ownership but on ensuring that the means of production serve the community rather than just a few individuals. This perspective aims to reduce inequality and promote social welfare while still allowing for personal property rights. So, whether you are in a capitalist or socialist system, the rights of private property owners differ significantly. In capitalism, the emphasis is on individual ownership and control, while socialism prioritizes collective ownership and social welfare. Understanding these differences can help clarify how property rights function in various economic systems.